Alrighty guys, today we're doing a unique unboxing from a company called FansDream. They have sent me a portable charger with a retractable cable built in, and it's a wearable portable charger. So you normally wear it around you or in a backpack, something that's different to what a normal portable charger is. It's got a clip on it that you can attach it to different things. Pretty awesome, pretty unique, so I want to check it out and see what it's all about. Alright, we are unboxing the FansDream portable charger here. Unique, different product. Let's open this up and see what it's about. Slide it out of its box here. Okay. I think that's all that's in the box. Yes. Alright, nothing else in the box here. Here is the product itself. Alright, it's got a little bit of like a protective sleeve, I guess. Let's take it out of that. And this is the clip that goes on to either a bag, a belt, I don't know, wherever else you want to attach this thing to. It's got a little bit of a clip here, which is cool. It is made out of metal as well, so it is a great quality product. And then we actually have the cable here that retracts. So it stays out that long. And then it retracts back into its slot. It's got a light there to indicate that the charger has been taken out of its thing. And if I plug in my phone, let's have a look. It starts charging from this, which is weird because I've never seen a portable charger with a cable that's like that. You can obviously retract it, and if you don't want that long, you just pull on the cable and it goes in. Then you pull it out where you want it, and that's how short you'll stay. Depends how long you want the cable or how short you want the cable, which is pretty cool. So my phone is charging. I've just read the front of the thing. It says 70 centimeters, so I said about 60. Close. 20 watt fast charging as well. And it does have a 5,000 milliamp battery built in. So you will get a lot of charging out of this. It is a pretty good battery to have if you want it while traveling, attaching to your bag, which is cool, and then be able to retract the cable. And it is a really, really smart idea, I guess. And obviously when you don't want it anymore, you just detach it, you pull this, and it just goes back into its housing, and that's it. And that's the portable charger. So it isn't overly too big, like it's the size of my hand, and it's pretty much the same size as my hand. It can definitely fit in a pocket, not a problem at all. But I think it's made to be hung onto a bag of some sort, so you can obviously save space. Because if this attaches to your bag, it's not taking up space inside of your bag; it's on the outside. And I don't think people will even know what this is. If it's just attaching on the side of your bag like that, people aren't really going to know what it is. So I think it's a really cool thing while you're traveling. I think this would be really, really good. I guess the battery obviously is here. And then this is the mechanism for the cable, which will retract and unretract the cable. So that is the FansDream portable charger, retractable portable charger, should I say. Now to charge this up, I'm assuming you plug in this, because it doesn't really tell you, this into a USB slot, and then it will charge, recharge this, if that makes sense. So the same way you charge your iPhone, instead of plugging your iPhone in, you plug this into the wall, and then it should charge this up, and then yeah, it should be good to go. That is the unboxing of the FansDream portable charger. So really, really cool product. All right, I've spent some time now with the MChaos portable power bank from FansDream, and I want to give you my initial thoughts and reviews on this product that I have been using. First things first, I think the build quality is very, very good. It is a very hardy charger. The carabiner is metal. It's not going anywhere. The retractable cable works as advertised. As you guys can see, everything just so easy and quick and convenient, which is how it's advertised, and it does work exactly like that. It is very quick charging. It's got a 20 watt USB-C output and 18 watt input, so you actually do charge the device with its own cable, which is awesome. So you don't have to find any other cables. Literally, you just got to find somewhere to plug this USB-C port into, and that's it. So that's a really big positive. Again, I've charged my iPhone 15 Pro Max a handful of times, and every single time I've charged it, it is charged very, very fast. So obviously it takes advantage of the fast charging that's in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Anything faster than 20 watt, obviously it can't charge that fast. 20 watts the maximum, but just so you guys know, if you have an iPhone 15 Pro Max or anything like that, you won't have a problem charging this up, or any other phone, just you won't be able to take advantage of faster speeds. Another big positive is the weight of this portable charger. I've got a lot of big portable chargers, and they weigh upwards of close to 400 grams, 500 grams, which is quite heavy. It does get substantial after a while. This weighs 180 grams, so very, very light for what it is. I think it's a very good product in terms of the way they've designed the weight aspect of it and the portability. I think it's really, really good, and I think it works exactly as advertised, and I think it deserves a really big thumbs up. Now, The only downside I have, obviously it's not the product itself, but I don't like small portable chargers just for the fact that I feel like I only charge my phone once and I can't use this again. I'm going to recharge this. So my iPhone 15 Pro Max is about 4,400 milliamps or something around that. And this is 5,000, so it pretty much obviously takes one of these portable chargers to charge just my iPhone once. So it does get quite annoying when you gotta keep recharging this to recharge your phone. So if you are someone that likes to recharge from 0 to 100, this probably isn't your ideal product. If you like someone that wants to top up from like 60 to 80, this is what you need. You can consistently do that for the next few days without having to recharge this. So if you need to recharge this every day, it kind of gets annoying. You have to recharge 2 devices, so it just kind of takes away from it. They do have a new product coming out, which is 10,000 milliamps, so double this, which you'll get obviously double the amount of charges. So you'll be able to charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max twice, which is awesome. So again, it will last that little bit longer, and that is coming out shortly. So if you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave them linked in the description down below. This one and the new one that's coming out. Check them out. It is a quite unique portable charger, but I think they've done a really, really good job, and there's not really anything bad to say about it because it is straightforward. It's a portable charger and it does its job. It works really well. Fansroom hasn't paid me to say anything about this product. They literally just sent it out to me to show you guys what it's all about. So thank you to you guys for sending it out, and hopefully I can get the new one that's coming out as well and show you guys that. If Fansroom does hook me up with that one, it would be awesome. So we'll see what happens. One thing that I did forget to mention is it does come in 3 colors. It comes in this gray, in a lightning yellow lime green color, and also white as well. I do like the grey. I think it is just nice overall. It's not going to get too dirty either like the white one will. And it doesn't stand out too much like the lime green. But if that's your thing, check those colours out. Again, I'll leave everything linked in the description down below. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. I'll catch you guys next week for another video.